Punctuation marks. You see many questions on the digital SAT on punctuations, and the question is, how do you deal with them? Easy. Let's look at the first family of punctuation marks. We have period, semicolon, comma, fanboys, exclamation mark, and question mark in this family. And they can only do one job. That is to separate two complete ideas from one another. You might be wondering, what is a complete idea? In simple words, a complete idea is an idea that does not keep you hanging. Let's look at some examples here. When she was only 10, when you hear a sentence like that, you're waiting for the rest of it. That is an indicator that this is an incomplete idea, which I'm going to mark it as I. Alex pointed out that atoms are not the tiniest particles. That's a random sentence, I get it, but that's a complete idea. So I'm going to mark that as C, which stands for complete. Because I ran a mile already, so what, right? You're waiting for the next part. That's why this is an incomplete idea. It's as simple as that. Now let's apply what we just learned on a real SAT question. As soon as you look at the answer choices, you can see that what's changing is the punctuation marks. So test it. Test it between the two words that you see the punctuation is changing. So that's where I'm going to draw a line right now, but on the test you can just draw an imaginary line in there and read the first idea, which is the first computerized spreadsheet, Dan Brick's VisiCalc, improved financial record keeping not only by providing users with an easy means of adjusting data in spreadsheets, but also by automatically updating all calculations that were dependent on those adjustments. That's a complete idea, so I'm going to mark that as C. Prior to VisiCalc's release, changing a paper spreadsheet often required redoing the entire sheet by hand, a process that could take days. That's another complete idea. So then we can use one of the punctuation marks we saw in this family. In this case, you can see a full stop in option C. Therefore, that has to be the answer. Let's look at another example. Again, what is changing is the punctuation. And if you notice, you have comma but, which is one of the comma fanboys punctuation. So I'm going to draw a line in there and read the first idea. The first idea is, the Alvarez theory maintained that the secondary effect of an asteroid impact caused many dinosaurs and other animals to die out. Well, that is a complete idea. Let's check the second idea. It left unexplored the question of whether unrelated volcanic activity might have also contributed to the mass's extinctions. That's also a complete idea. Again, you have two complete ideas. One of the punctuation marks in this family should work. In this case, we have comma but, which is a comma fanboys, and we pick that. That's the correct answer.